Dear students of class 11, welcome to our online classes. I am Mahbubi Alam, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Now, dear students, we are continuing our chapter 4, and you know the name of chapter 4 is Introduction to Web Design and HTML. In your last class, you have learned what is list and what are the uses of list. And our today's topic is uses of two-typed list in HTML. After completing this class, you will learn what is order list, what is unordered list, uses of order and unordered list in HTML. You can execute both order and unordered list by using browser. Now come to the first point. What is order list? The list which has serial number such as ABC or 1 2 3 or capital ABC etc. is called order list. For example, there is a order list, color list: A red, B green, C blue, D yellow. You can see the another example of order list. This is also a color list. Number 4 red, 5 green, 6 blue, 7 yellow. Both are order list, but there is a difference between first list and second list. First list is start with A and second list is start with 4 and in Roman number. So there is a difference between these two lists. Now, what is unordered list? The list which has no specific serial number is called unordered list. For example, this is also a color list: red, green, blue, yellow. There is no starting point. All are in rectangle. It may be a circle. It may be a disk. They are unordered list. Dear students, this is Notepad. This is the editor of HTML. You can use another editor because HTML is a editor friendly. You can write any editor, but Notepad is better comparing with others. For this reason, I use Notepad. Here you can see some option. I will go to at first in font to change the font size, and I choose 26. You can set it by yourself. Now I will write the HTML code for order list. First HTML body and then a heading. You know there are 6 types of heading in HTML: H1, H2, H3. I choose here H2. This is color list. I use here as a heading and I use U tag for underline. Now our main list, as it is a order list, so it is indicated OL. OL means order list. OL type equal to capital A and start equal to 1. Li red, close li, red, green, blue, yellow. Our list is complete and I close here OL. I close here order list by using /OL. Now I close body and lastly I close HTML. So dear students, look the whole program. I start the program by using HTML tag and then body tag. You know, only we can see the body tag in our browser. You can see only the body tag, others cannot be seen. And I use S2 for heading and U for underline. This is the heading of color list. Now I use OL for list and type is A, that means our list will be ABC, and start equal to 1, that means it will be start from A. If I give start equal to 2, then it will be start from B. Now dear students, I will save the program. Look at the saving procedure carefully. To save the HTML program, at first you need to go in File and then click Save As. I want to save the program in desktop. For this reason I choose desktop, and then I will give the name order, ORDER, order.html. Here .html is the important part. You have to give the extension HTML. If you do not give the extension, then it will be saved but not in HTML format. It will be saved in document format. It cannot be run by browser. For this reason I give here .html and then click save button. Then you see there is a Mozilla Firefox icon and its name is order.html. Just double click here, same color list, and A red, B green, C blue, D yellow. This is the color list. Now I want to change the program by Roman number. Here it is ABC, but I want to change it by using Roman number. To use Roman number, you need to give I. If you give capital I, then it will be capital Roman number, and if you give small I, then it will be small Roman number, and starting point is 4. This is numerical 4. Starting point will be always in numerical form. If you get Roman number, then it will not be start with 4. HTML can understand only numerical number. Then save the program again. Just click in save button, then check. Again I double click here, order.html, then color list number, Roman number 4 red, 5 green, 6 blue and 7 yellow. So list is changed by Roman number. Now I will show you the unordered list. To make it unordered list, you have to change some portion of this program. At first I will write UL instead of OL. UL means unordered list, and type equal to square, SQUARE, square. And in unordered list there is no starting point, all are same. Now click UL means unordered list. Now click in save button to save it again and then run by using same procedure. Just click, double click here, then you see color list red, green, blue, yellow, all are in square shape. If you give circle instead of square, then it will be circle. Again I will make it change by circle. So just write here circle, CIRCLE, circle. Then click in save button and then run again. Look, this is a circle. Color list, all are in circle. This is the usage of unordered list. So today we have learned what is ordered list and what is unordered list, and how can I write the program in Notepad and how can I run by it any browser. Thanks everybody to observe my lecture.